wet area that you are treating with water. Apply paste to the wet surface 1/8 to 1/4 inches thick using a suitable applicator, like a putty knife. Cover the poultice with plastic wrap and let stay for 12 hours. It will cling to the surface. Press down around the edges. Remove the plastic and allow poultice to dry completely. This is the most important part. As it dries, it will draw the stain from the surface. Remove the poultice and captured contaminants by scraping off the surface. Insert a corrosion-resistant spatula or towel under the paste and carefully lift from the surface. Non-metal tools are preferred to avoid scratching the surface. Remove as much residue as possible. Rinse the surface thoroughly with fresh water, using a sponge or soft cloth. Repeat application if needed.